Ever feel like there's a million personal finance apps popping up these days? It can be overwhelming, especially when it comes to trusting them with your hard-earned cash. Today, we're diving deep into one such app, Rocket Money. You might have seen their catchy commercials or heard about them helping folks manage their finances. But here's the big question: does Rocket Money have access to your bank account? Understanding this is crucial before you link your bank details to any app. So, buckle up, and let's navigate the world of Rocket Money and bank access. Breaking down Rocket Money. First things first, what exactly is Rocket Money? In a nutshell, it's a financial management app designed to help you with budgeting, bill negotiation, and canceling unwanted subscriptions. Sounds pretty helpful, right? But to truly leverage these features, you'll likely be prompted to connect your bank account. This is where things get interesting. So, can Rocket Money see my bank account? The answer is both yes and no. Here's why. Read-only access. When you connect your bank with Rocket Money, they typically request read-only access. This means they can see your transactions, account balance, and potentially upcoming bills. They can't move money. Here's the key difference: Rocket Money cannot directly withdraw or transfer funds from your account. They can only see what's there. Think of it like this: imagine your bank account is a locked treasure chest. Rocket Money might be able to peek through a small window to see what's inside, but they can't open the chest and grab your valuables. Why does Rocket Money need access? Now you might wonder, why does Rocket Money even need to see your bank account if they can't touch your money? Here's the breakdown. Understanding your spending. By analyzing your transactions, Rocket Money can categorize your spending, identify areas to save, and even help you create a personalized budget. Bill negotiation power. With access to your bills, Rocket Money can analyze your subscriptions and negotiate lower rates on your behalf. Subscription tracking. They can also track recurring charges and help you cancel unwanted subscriptions, those pesky gym memberships you never use. Anyone? Is it safe to link my bank account? Security is obviously a top concern. Here's what to consider. Encryption. Rocket Money claims to use industry-standard encryption methods to protect your bank login credentials. Multi-factor authentication. Look for features like multi-factor authentication, MFA, which adds an extra layer of security when accessing your account. Remember, you're always in control. Most reputable financial apps, including Rocket Money, will allow you to revoke access to your bank account at any time. Alternatives to consider. Maybe you're still not comfortable giving any app access to your bank account. That's totally understandable. Here are some alternatives. Manual budgeting. There are plenty of free budgeting apps and spreadsheets that don't require bank account linking. Contact providers directly. You can always negotiate with your service providers directly for lower rates. The bottom line: Rocket Money doesn't have direct access to your bank account funds. They can only see your transactions with read-only access. This information helps them analyze your spending, negotiate bills, and identify areas to save. Ultimately, the decision to link your bank account is yours. If you value convenience and personalized financial management, Rocket Money could be a good option. But if security is your prime concern, explore alternative budgeting methods. Remember, knowledge is power. Do your research, understand how these apps work, and choose what makes you feel most comfortable and in control of your finances. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.